Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring the game is fully updated and you're logged in. This prevents mismatch during color changes. You need the pink catalyst items or currency on hand because the process consumes them. Once done, open the customization panel and switch to block modification mode. That's where color transforms happen. Make sure to back up any presets before applying changes so you can revert. This first step sets the foundation for consistent pink results across blocks. You now perform the color transformation with control. Select blocks using Batch Select or the half-grid tool to save time. Change the hue toward 330-345 degrees to reach a true pink base. Increase saturation to around 65-90% for vividness, and keep brightness near 70-85% to avoid washed or neon looks. Then apply the pink catalyst and use the preview to inspect lighting interactions. If reflections or tinting look off, undo and adjust saturation or brightness before confirming. You finish by locking changes and saving a preset so the pink blocks are reproducible across sessions. Test them under several lighting presets because in-game light can shift pink toward purple or peach. Make small adjustments if needed. If neighboring textures bleed color, tweak their materials or add thin decals to separate tones. Troubleshooting tip: if the pink shifts after saving, recalibrate hue by +- or -5 degrees. Then reapply the catalyst. This fixes most post-save color drift issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.